I'm not a kid no more, y'all.
Hold on, y'all. I got chicken grease all over my lips. If it's your birthday, make some noise. If it's your birthday, make some. It's my birthday. I missed last night. We had a time, okay? One thing about it, I'm a simple girl, okay? I like to kiki, eat good food, and mind my business. And like, that's what I did last night, and I had a really good time. So today, I'm thankful to be alive. I'm thankful for an amazing support system. I'm thankful to just be who I am authentically and just, I don't know, tap more into that as I grow and as I find out more of the woman that I am, which has been a journey in itself. I'm thankful for just my life, for good health, for peace of mind. Like, it's nothing like peace of mind. I'm thankful for God because I'm realizing as I get older, sometimes life do not get easier, right? It do not get easier all the time. But when you got God and when you got faith, you can really move mountains. And so I'm journaling, reading my Bible. I'm probably getting some breakfast, gonna go to Whole Foods, might get a massage, don't know yet, might just chill and then get ready later. I don't know if I want to wet this hair and get a curly, because I don't even want to post this my birthday on social media. Like, I really just want to kind of have my birthday to myself. Like, is that weird? Yeah, I'm feeling good. The energy is good. The vibes is good. Ooh, the spirit of the Lord is here. I feel it in the atmosphere. No worries, my friend.
I'll let you know when I'm there. Well, I'll just knock on the door.
Really like that girl. Like, she done brought me bubbly. She done brought me throat comfort. She done brought me green tea. My eyebrows look so botched, y'all. He got me these beautiful flowers, y'all. I like almost bawled.
She balled.
Balls.
Balling.
Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, they're so pretty. They're so pretty. Oh. Okay, guys, but you know, I'm gonna go to Whole Foods, my favorite store in the freaking world. We about to go there. I'm too geek for this, man. Like, I'm too geek for this.
Geeked.
Not no more buying Van Cleef. Not this Whole Foods is so pretty, y'all. I don't know. We gotta see inside. I don't know if the one back home is cuter or this one. But this one is so cute. Like, the outside.
Fuck that shit.
It's so big. Ooh.
It smells good too.
So I wanna go to the hot bar.
The hot bar? Hot bar.
Hot bar. Oh my god, it's so cute in here. Like, do you see how aesthetically pleasing everything looks? Yeah. Like, bro, they have everything in this joint, Zion.
Oh my god, Emma, you're so cute. You really like it here?
Yes, I really do. Huh?
Can you move back here?
Maybe.
Oh, I'm gonna look at maybe here.
Oh, they got some hot food there. I want to see they got the chicken wings.
Oh, you want to see the hot food?
I want to see the chicken wings. They do got the chicken wings, y'all. They got the chicken wings.
What kind are they?
Sweet chili chicken wings. I'm gonna eat them though.
You don't eat them?
I'm gonna eat them.
I'm gonna eat it.
I'm gonna eat them. If you're ever at Whole Foods, y'all, little tip. You get something that you don't like, you can return it. You can return it. But get into these chicken wings. Get into them. All right, bye, y'all. Stop acting food. Everything fits on the street. Who do we have here? Everything expensive. Everything.
Happy birthday. 1 second.
Ooh, this camera nice.
Yeah, right? It's kind of nice, right?
Oh yeah,
Okay.
hold them. Oh, that's smart.
I probably could shoot a video on here if I wanted to. Happy birthday.
No. Because no, we're gonna do what you wanted. Happy birthday to you, to you. I wanna say happy.
I think you just seen a white person version.
No,
I wanna say
Hey. Are you 21? Are you 22? Are you 23? Are you 24? Are you 20? Wish for a wish.
Okay.
The hair, don't burn.
Don't bring the hair.
Okay.
Put the hair behind your shoulders.
Ooh. You should wow.
Twos.
Yum yum yum.
Twos.
Right.
Twos.
Face of the cake.
Twos.
Yeah?
Twos. Why is there so many cars? Who don't got more cars in their hand? Who don't got more cars in their hand?
ain't flying different square. Hey, you ain't driving around the world. Hey, you ain't round like a squirrel. Hey, you shaking around.
Yeah, I'm about to cut layers of my bestie here. Move back. I already got it in my hands.
Just okay. Oh, I love you. But when I straighten it, how's it gonna look?
The same.
Oh, okay.
I'm not gonna do deep layers. I'm just doing a little bit.
I'm supposed to be kissing it. Don't do that. You know I love you.
You're trying to get me to do stuff that I know I don't want to do. It looks so cute.
Really?
It's your girl again. You know who it is, Mary Amaj. Okay.
We play for the girls. For the girls. Are you a girl's girl?
Yeah. She said she feeling lit already.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. She said she finna that little 9%.
Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh my
We are in Stop and Shop, and I'm getting some cupcakes. I'm actually late to the bowling alley.
It's kind of making me feel like kid again.
Say hi, my best friend in the fucking wow. I'm late to the bowling alley. I should have been late. I should have been left, but I think that everybody's gonna be okay. You know, that's actually such a bad thing to say. No, it's almost just because I accept that I'm late. You know, I'm chatting y'all. Just the liquor.
Hey y'all, it's Mary and Zion.
It's 12. It's 12. It's enough.
It is enough.
It's enough. Yeah, I think it's enough.
I'm Samaya, the birthday girl.
Yeah. Hold on.
Getting a cupcake. Let's get to them.
They cute or whatever.
Bitch from the streets. Bitch from the streets. Who do we have here?
Who do we have here? Who do we have here?
Who do we have here?
What's your name, sir?
My name is David. Stop.
What do you have on today? Talk to me.
Talk to
I
him.
got some Summers. I got some Dick's Sporting Goods. I got some Levi jeans. I found your phone.
Question.
My dad gave me this jacket. You feel me?
Cool question.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing to eat?
I love how you and David are matching. This is so
fact,
cute.
You feel me? Tiz.
Tease.
I love how
I like. I just like some baked chicken and rice and beans. I like some.
Get into it.
got something.
What's your Instagram? Where can they follow you?
Delete it.
Oh.
I see that today. I'm gonna say, why did you delete it, bruh?
It's the two. It's the two.
Bitches! It's my business! Hey! Muda dessa aí daqui.
Bowling is really interesting.
Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Nice to wrap up.
Hey, just like that, yo.
Alright, I'm with my bestie right here.
Just like that.
Hi, welcome to the Amaya Show. Today we are at both.
Tabata, say hello.
Damn, we forgot the microphone.
Zion.
Big rub no money on my card.
Why you
Side eye.
She's a birthday girl too, guys.
Oh my gosh, just happy birthday.
The camera. Hey, guys.
Everybody say hey.
Everybody just got a strike. Y'all not fucking with us.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay, period. First one. Say bankrupt, no money on my card.
I know y'all been waiting, right? Oh, we back. Jersey.
Still have it. Always.
Always.
How you do this shit?
Why she over whooping? Why she over? Almost.
Follow my YouTube, you feel me? At King Ocho _ you feel me? Follow my YouTube, you feel me? Give me the 300K, you feel me? 300K, we will be doing a giveaway, so give me the 300K, so.
Guys, I forgot I'm vlogging. Getting pizza in New York. We finally made it. And I can't lie, y'all, the pizza is mad good right now. Like, I got my great pizza. If you know, you know, the best pizza to ever get. So freaking good. This is the little Geos. Guys, look at this one right here. It almost matches my outfit.
See the.
Here we are. Are you guys enjoying yourself? I'm having a really good time. I've kind of been like following Basquiat's work for the past maybe like 5 years. And then after I watched the documentary, I think that's when I really just was like, oh my God. His work is really captivating and I connect with it in a really unique way. So I was super excited when Zion took me here, and we are just gonna take some pictures and enjoy the art. I didn't know they had a downstairs, y'all, and I'm elated. I'm kind of so glad we came here. I was just telling Zion that although I haven't really painted in a while, I lied. I painted last week. I love his style. It feels fun, and it feels very intentional, especially because he, you know, paints about just so many different things, from consumerism to, I don't know, his childhood and racism and so many other things. And
sorry, I just got off the radio. I'm sorry. So we're about to, did you show them this one?
No, I didn't show them this one.
We're gonna try to figure out what's Warhol and what's Basquiat in this one.
I see Andy in this at all. Maybe this one? Yeah, go ahead.
And then they had me thinking, like, where is Warhol in this? And they were saying how it's the red paint.
Really?
And this, look, the green. That's what they were saying.
The green and the red? That's a common like theme in a lot of their paintings. You're like you know.
Take a picture of us taking pictures.
Yeah. Everybody smile. Okay, thank you. And I think this was very perfect.
Hey guys, we are now at 425 Katina. Yes, 345.
Civilians.
Me and Zion are like 2 in 1 because we got this
They're
thing.
civilians.
Like, shrimp, 2 shrimp, one steak. Yeah, my hair is so big right now. Everyone keeps complimenting it, but it's really a lot. Like, it's really a lot, and I really wish it was a little more tame. I think I'm gonna look ugly with it pulled back, so I'm not gonna pull it back.
You can never look ugly.
Thank you.
So
I'm in the waiting list to see Sampa, and I hope we can get tickets. I don't know what they're saying. I haven't heard anything, but I feel like it's the perfect opportunity. Yeah, I have notifications on, so hopefully we can get the tickets.
What app did you do it through? Usually stuff like that is like through the Dice app.
Drinks and links. Giving classic. Drinks and links. Drinks and links. Yeah, I have never had a espresso martini, and so I didn't order one. But what I did get was a pumpkin spice espresso martini. So I think that's gonna be damn good.
What is it? Where? What designer is this?
This is thrifted. Yeah, I got so fashionable. Everybody, a lady asked me at the exhibit, like,
I heard her say that too. I said, baby,
who's this? I was like, I don't know.
You should have said Fashion Nova.
What was that? Oh, Fashion Nova.
Fashion
Nova. Thank you. Ooh, cheers.
Thank you.
Look at my drinky, guys.
My drinky drink.
Thank you.
This is good. This is good. Cheers to the girls
That I love the most. Is that? This would be a good clip for the video.
They would.
Nice. Well, you want one too? Have a good night.
Yeah. Get it, Morgan.
Take up the.